Good morning everyone, morning or afternoon in the Philippines. And it's morning, not yet 12. So, see, in the Santa Cruz. I'm here again in the mall. I need to buy something for tomorrow. Because we're gonna go to work tomorrow and the kids not going to school because she's sick today. So that's why I need to buy. And this is the small food court WTC. Yeah, WTC. Food court. That's WTC. See, that's the food court. The food court here is small. But, compared to the other mall, the other mall, the food court is big. Here is small. See, got a nice light. That's why my face is very bright in the camera. I like the light because I look pretty in my camera.